The process for booking Walt Disney World Resort Park tickets for use in 2020 and up to September 2021 has changed a little bit. Now, before you make your booking, you should follow these 3 steps. Know before you go. Keep up to date on current physical distancing guidelines and any changes to the usual park experience. You can do this over on our website. Check availability. You'll need a valid theme park reservation as well as your tickets to get into the Disney parks. So, on our website, view the availability calendar for the Disney parks to check around the time you plan to travel. Buy and reserve. Once you have checked availability, buy your tickets with attractiontickets.com. We recommend you pay in full as you'll need your ticket numbers to book the days you want at Walt Disney World Resort. However, deposit options are available. Your ticket numbers will be emailed to you within 48 hours of your booking. These numbers will enable you to link your tickets to My Disney Experience and reserve your park days using the Disney Park Pass reservation system. Then, you'll receive your gate-ready, physical, branded tickets within 72 hours of your booking. And to give you extra peace of mind, tickets that are linked to My Disney Experience can still be amended or cancelled in line with our terms and conditions. You can now relax, knowing that your park days are secured, and look forward to your magical Walt Disney World Resort in Florida holiday.